Welcome to Cultivating Contentment. This is week 6, day 4 of our study, and our topic this week has been What's the Alternative? Our scripture verse has been the same throughout the week. Yesterday, I introduced it as the message translation. It's Isaiah 6:5, and again it says, I said doom, it's doomsday, I'm as good as dead. Every word I've ever spoken is tainted, blasphemous even, and the people I live with talk the same way, using words that corrupt and desecrate. And here I've looked God in the face, the King, God of the angel armies. So my question today, as a follow-up from the previous days, do you think you will be similarly dismayed someday when faced with a holy God? Our quote today comes from Lucy Swindle. Learning to be content is an educational process, as is all learning. It takes time, and I'm sure over time at least some measure of contentment would come. It would start with the acceptance of present reality and hopefully move toward genuine contentment. So, um, you're not going to be content overnight. So it does take time. It takes training yourself to be content, to stop that complaining. And, and some days we fall back and we start over again. So it is just a learning process over our whole life. Our question today, question 7, contentment involves teachability and gratitude. How did Paul get contentment according to Philippians 4:11? And question 8, how does the Bible rate contentment? Paul gives it high marks in 1 Timothy 6:6. So I look forward to reading your comments. I am still enjoying myself in this study. I hope you all are as well. So stay safe, stay healthy, and blessings to you.